The third song on the album is Thushang. Thushang is a cry for help. It's a song I wrote at a very low point in my life, and it was a time where I felt like even though I was going through what I was going through, I couldn't talk to anybody. The chorus says, Thushang, ke kwang sello sa ka, le ska bona ke tshega, ke bohloko fela mo moyeng. So that just describes what I was going through. And it's also a song that I feel will resonate with a lot of people, because as humans, there's just a societal thing that people don't know how to handle people when they express pain. So this song is a cry, it's a consolation, it's a voice for those people who are going through a lot of heartbreak, grief, heartache, and feel like they don't have anybody to talk to. This song is a place where they can find comfort. It's a place where they can find, resolution to what they're going through.